Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaire Joy here. Welcome if you're new. If you're not, welcome back to the gang. You already know the vibes. You already know what's going on. Period. So today, y'all, I have this highlighted wig from Ishow Hair, I believe. This hair, y'all, this is a number. This hair is a little it's definitely affordable for a highlighted wig, and I don't know, it's not very much giving to me, but it may be giving to you, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, I did this glueless install. I haven't really been using wig glue like that because it has broken me out a few times. I feel like I need to get a new one, so I just been kind of sticking to my got to be free spray, you know what I'm saying? Get the job done, like, as long as you're not doing no heavy duty, heavy sweating type thing. The got to be free spray will get you through, period. But y'all, I like this little hairstyle. Actually, I know it doesn't look the best on camera, but like in person it actually looks like pretty darn good. I think I actually did the thing to not even have plucked this wig. None of that stuff. So yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig, and then at the end I'm going to give you guys the pros and cons to this wig. So I'll put the timestamps down below so you can go to whichever one you want to go to, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to keep you here, but you are welcome to stay. It's not a problem, baby. You can stay right there. You can stay right there, period. Anyway, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into the video. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that like button, you comment, you subscribe, you do whatever you gotta do. Follow me on all my social medias. Without further ado, let's get into the video, period. as you can see, I kind of got the formation. I got the swoop going a little bit. You just see a whole bunch of just frizzy hair. Like, the hair is just so frizzy. So what we're gonna do is curl the hair because that's how I like it, like this. And this top part will be curled. I just needed it out the way for the most part. But I can remember, I don't know if I left too much hair out. I don't think so. I think it'll look cute once it's curled. But what I'm gonna do, is use my bio silk to soaking this hair up because this thing is dry. Like, I don't understand why it gets this dry, but whatever. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the bathroom so we can get this hair straight, you know what I'm saying? So let's go. Alright y'all, so you made it through the little install or whatever. So I'm about to tell you guys the pros and cons to this hair. So let me pull up the specs. Alright, this is a 26-inch 13 by 4 supposed to be 180% density wig from Ishow Hair. The hair came in a nice satin bag, and when I got the wig I felt like the frontal was oddly shaped. Like, I understand it's a 13 by 4, it's not a full length 13 by 4, it's definitely shorter on this part of the hair, and then this part goes back wider, but it felt like the hair was pushed really far back on the lace, so it was a little hard to even attempt to pluck. I didn't do that good of a job plucking. I didn't even really want to pluck. I wanted to just take it out the box and put it on. I've had a few numbers with this hair. When I first put it on, it looked terrible, y'all. And if you're my complexion, you're definitely going to have to put foundation. Like, not even lace print, lace tint. You have to put foundation on this frontal because this frontal is not giving what it was supposed to give. No. Like, you really have to put some makeup on there to make it melt more in your skin because it's going to definitely look very, very light. Very, very, very light. So that's my little tip. If you're my complexion or darker, definitely put foundation on the lace because you will need it, sis. I'm trying to tell you. So this hair is dry. Okay. Like, literally, this hair is so dry. Like, I just don't understand why it's so dry. Like, I haven't even worn this wig that much. Like, it's just naturally really dry. And then by the way, I also let this hair sit in the purple shampoo for a while to try to tone it down a little bit. It did a little tiny bit, but it's still bright. I mean, it's not as bad. It's definitely calmed down a lot, but definitely I would say soak it in some purple shampoo because the brightness of the blonde was like, let me see, it was like really, really bright, y'all. Like, this looks much better, but it could be much better than this, you know what I'm saying? Another con that I have about this hair is I feel like the customer service. So I looked at a previous video, but when I looked at the video, I seen somebody comment like, oh, like, no, their hair is good, wooty woo wop. So I was like, and I had already bought the wig, so I tried it out. Y'all, they was trying to scam me. They talking about some, oh, we're gonna send they was like, we'll give you a refund. They were like, send me the email that you use for your AliExpress account. Why? Don't you need my PayPal email? What? So I'm like, okay, I sent it, and they talking about some, oh, give us the code. And the email came to my phone saying, I'm gonna try to pull it up. The email was saying like, oh, if you didn't try to reset your password, then something. I'm like, y'all trying to reset my password? What is you trying to reset my password for? You're not getting that. I had to fight with them tooth and nail, and they only gave me $50 back. Talking about, please don't leave bad review. The hair, I've never had the black hair. Their black hair may be better. But this right here, I wouldn't really recommend anybody to get it if you're looking for anything with longevity. But if you need something ASAP, you're not trying to spend a whole bunch of money because you don't feel like you're gonna wear this wig out all the time, I mean, go for it. I mean, it's not like the worst, but I'm telling you, it's not the best either. Like, even I put a whole bunch of soak drops in it, and it's still like, I don't know if y'all could tell, like, you see this? You see that? Like, why does it look like that? I didn't bleach this hair. You know what I'm saying? Like, I have no clue why this hair is looking like that. But yeah, that's why I say this hair is just so dry. I feel like that's the biggest con, that it's dry. Also, it definitely didn't feel like 20, how many inches was it? Yeah, it definitely wasn't giving 26. I put layers into the hair. And I'm 5'7", y'all. And I put layers into the hair, stops right there. Like, it does not feel like 26 inches. It's definitely not 180% density. Like, my wig, if you see my Ellie Grace hair video, that's 180% density. This right here is not. This is 150, boo. It's giving me 120 actually. Like, don't try to play me. You know what I'm saying? This is not 180%. Okay, it's not good. It's maybe a little more like 180 with the curls in it, but that's not 180. But I could show you 180. Trying to scam, like, what is you doing trying to scam? You was a whole company, you a whole corporation. Chill out. Period. But yeah, y'all, that's really all I have to say. I mean, it's affordable, I'll tell you that. If you've seen it in the title, it's definitely affordable. Look at this. It's affordable. If you're not trying to spend a lot of money, you can make it work. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm gonna make it work because I spent my hard-earned money on this. But I don't recommend, if you're looking for something with longevity, you're looking for something you feel like great quality, this is not the hair for you at all. So keep that in mind if you buy from ishow Hair, the highlighted wig. And I'm not trying to bash them or anything like that, but I just don't feel like it's top tier quality, like, at all. And I just got this wig, y'all. Like, it's not like I done wore this wig forever. Oh no, I don't understand why it's like so dry like this. It came like this, but I'm making it work, okay? But like I said, you want longevity and quality or quick for the function. It's your choice. You decide which one you want to pick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If you ever plan on buying from ishow Hair, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social medias. See you guys in my next video. Bye.